Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest store in Margate. That's right, we basically are in a larger facility now. We can do more vehicles, and we're only 3 doors down from the old store. So if you go to the old store, just walk 3 doors down and you'll find the new store, bigger and better. So that being said, what we have today, we got the RetraxPro MX on a Nissan Frontier. As you know, the Nissan Frontiers aren't getting enough love. And here, we've been doing a lot of Nissans here. We like the Nissan. And boy, with this black truck, with the black cover, with the black wheels, pull back and show those wheels how nice they look with the cover. They all kind of match perfectly, you know. Yeah, it's a great look. Now, I do like, I like all the models of the Retrax. Now, what's nice about the MX is it's a nice, clean and flat, low profile cover here. And of course, this is all metal here. This is gonna hold 500 pounds. That's the Mac doggy of all the weight capacities on rolling covers. Generally, it's hard to find anything that do more than 500 on a rolling cover. This also has a great warranty. This has got a lifetime warranty, which is, now it is prorated and it's got some fine print in there, you have to read it, but it's still a very good warranty. Now, I like the look of this. I like that this is a dual piece of metal. That means it's a single piece of metal, and then they have an arch underneath there with a little space. Why is that good? Well, it helps keep the heat from going through the cover into the bed, having that little space in there. So again, in Florida, that's important. So let's take a look on how it works. Okay. Now, a couple of the cool features about the Pro. I told you about the curtain here as being all metal. It's got the great warranty. It's also got a dual lock system. If you look here, both sides are, it does lock both sides. So that's really good here. So you can see that works. Now, another really good feature on this one is it will lock anywhere along the track. So if you stop it here, stop it here, stop it here, it'll lock in any of those spots, no problem. And I like that feature because if you got a tall item in there and you want to kind of put the cover up to it, you can do that with this cover. So very, very good feature. So this is going to open it all the way up. Now, if you take a look in there, there is room underneath the canister. Now, we did use the existing factory holes. So we didn't make any new holes here. We're using the ones that were already in the truck. And again, we don't like going into the floor. I see people do that all the time. I prefer it not on the floor because you'll knock them out. So again, this is a great system. Now, if you look here, it does have the cargo management system from Nissan, and it does work with it. So that's not a problem there. So all the things this truck has works with this cover. Now, what's great about this cover, it's probably one of the better ones for water. Let me tell you why. If you look here, it's got a nice little seal right here. See that? And has a nice wide rail. Look at that rail. It's very wide, and it's all got the foam underneath it, so it seals up really good. Also, it's the only one, that's the UPS guy, it seals the canister when it's closed. Now, all the other ones, basically, there's a gap there and the water goes in there. Now, most of the time, it's no problem, it'll drain out. But sometimes if you've got a really bad rainstorm or you're going through a high pressure car wash, the water could go in there so fast, it's harder for the system to drain out quick enough. This is the only company that says, you know what, when we close the cover, we're gonna seal the canister. Now, if you have water on top of this, not a problem. Go ahead and open it up, water just goes in there, drains out, no problem whatsoever. So again, it's not waterproof. Let me make sure I'm clear on this, because a lot of people think they're buying submarines. They're not, but it's water resistant. It's really good at keeping water out. Okay. Now, very easy to lock and close. It does have a seal around the lock, in case water gets in there, you don't have to worry about freezing if you live up north, and it keeps your lock nice and clean over the years. A nice little setup there. All in all, very good product. Strong. This is like the tank model of covers. Looks good. I mean, super clean. It looks great with this truck here. He's gonna put valuables in there and not have to worry about anyone getting in there, because they're not gonna be able to break into this unless they have a chainsaw. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, you live in another state, I still got you covered. We can ship this anywhere in the country. We even ship into Hawaii. We're shipping to Puerto Rico. We're shipping to Alaska. And California and Texas, you guys are the bomb. Buy a ton of stuff from us. Thank you very much. And we do have a warehouse we actually have 3 warehouses in Texas and 1 in California. So you can get the stuff fairly quickly. A lot of times when we ship this stuff out, you might have it in a couple days, maybe less, you know. Now, if you come here to the store, we can put it on for you. And if we do put it on for you, we'll put a 1-year labor agreement. It covers everything we have done. A lot of places don't do that, but we do. Again, I think this is a great product. I recommend it. And if you'd like to get it, come here, see us in the store. And again, it's a RetraxPro MX on the Nissan Frontier, new body style. And don't forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And one more important thing, I almost forgot. It's American made. Yes, it's made here in the USA. Caleb's like, oh yeah, USA. Why is that better? Well, we do a better job, let's be honest. Nothing against you, China, but Americans make better covers. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and like and subscribe. Thanks.